ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। In the last few classes, we were doing Karakam. The Karakam topic I'll continue a little later. In between the Gana, the Tinganta, those things I will cover. As I told before, that I will insert in between. So today we will see after Bhavadigana, Divadigana, Tudadigana Dhatus, we will see. And this I will post it as a separate playlist. So after I finish all the Karaka, the number in the of the class in the playlist, this I think 291 something, that will have only Karakam first. After that, this Tudadigana, which I will create a separate playlist, I will add it to that later. But I will create a separate playlist to Dadigana. I will post it in that playlist, all these classes to Dadi. Then we will see Churadi. Then Swadi already we have seen a little more on the Swadi. Then other Gana also we will see. So Karaka we will do it later. Maybe the next class or the class after next we will continue that. So today we will see Tudadi Gana. Tudadi Gana, sixth Gana. The first dhatu is Tuddu dhatu. In the Vadigana and Divadigana, we saw all the dhatus and their forms. All the dhatus means that the Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Rikaranta, Atupada, Itupada. So it covered all the possibility, all the dhatus. One form is enough to cover all the respective the categories. Ikaranta dhatu, Ukaranta dhatu, and some special dhatus also we have seen. Similarly for Tudadigana, which is a very simple one that we will see. Tudadigana. Tudadigana, the Gana Vikarana is Sha. Sha is the Gana Vikarana. Sha is Shakaraha. In that Sha, Shakaraha, hit letter. The content is A only. There's a sutra. Tudadibhyaha Shaha. Tudadibhyaha Shaha. By that, it gets the Gana Vikarana Pratyaya. Sha. Tudadibhyaha Shaha. This is the sutra for that. But we have to add some words, which comes as anuvritti. When Sha will come, when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. Sarvadhatuke, then in Kartari Prayaga, because in Karmani, Yak will come. So Sarvadhatuke Kartari. So when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows in Kartari Prayoga, Kartari Vishaye or Kartari Pachiye, in Kartari, when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Dhatus in the Tudadigana, that is fourth Gana, Tudadi. Tud is the first Dhatu. Tudadigana will get Pratyaya Sha. Sha is Sarvadhatukam or Ardhatukam?
Sarvadhatukam.
Sarvadhatukam. Can it cause Angakarya? Can it cause Angakarya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ji.
No, it is Apit. How can it cause Angakarya?
Okay.
Sha being a Sarvadhatuka Apit, Gunadi Angakarya is negated, right? It cannot cause.
Yeah, correct.
Gunadi Angakarya is negated. What are the Guna, the Angakaryas? That is, Iganta will take Guna, Rasva Ikopada will take Guna, right? Those things will not happen. So, Sha is Sarvadhatuka. Tingshit Sarvadhatukam. We saw, right? Tingshit Sarvadhatukam. This is Sarvadhatuka, but it is Apit. Only Shap is Sarvadhatuka Pit. Only Shap is a Sarvadhatuka Pit. The rest are all are Sarvadhatuka Apit only. 10th Gana, it is Nich, it is Ardhatuka. 10th Churadigana will take Nich. The rest are, it is Apit only. For 4th Gana, it is Shen. 5th Gana, Sha. Sorry, 4th Gana, it is Shen. 5th Gana, it is Shnu. 6th Gana, it is Sha. Then 7th Gana, it is Shnam. 8th Gana, it is U. That is another Pratya, which is Ardhatukam. And 9th Gana, it is Shna. So, excepting this 8th and 10th Gana, where the Pratyaya is Ardhatukam, and 2nd Gana and the 3rd Gana, the Pratyaya will come and go away. So, the rest of the Pratyayas, the Gana Vikarana Pratyayas are Sarvadhatuka Apit, only Shap is Pit, Sarvadhatuka Pit. Okay. So, now let us take first. Here it is Ikaranta Dhatu, Ukaranta Dhatu. We'll start with Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Dhatavaha. Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Dhatavaha. See, before that, we can note this rule, important rule. This rule will apply Not only here, in other places also. It will mix the sutram. I'll write the sutram also. That is, I'll give with an example. Let me do one example and then I'll explain that. It is just a minute. I'll take one example. Let me take this dhatu re. There's a dhatu re. The example I will explain the rule. The rule I will write. Dhatu re. Re is in the Tudhadigana. Dhatu re. The meaning of the dhatu re is Gatau, Gatyartaka dhatu. Re is Gatau. Now, when you do the let form, re plus, by default I'm doing let. What will happen? Re plus let lakara, and we can take Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. He is Parasmepadi dhatu. Di Gatau is Parasmepadi Anit. That Anit and the condition is not required because we are doing only Sarvadhatukam, which is Parasmepadi. So re plus let Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, and you add tip pratyaya, re plus sha plus tip. What will be the form now? Re plus sha plus tip.
Riyati, is it?
How you get Riyati? Re is the Anga for
Yeah. Re plus A plus T.
Re plus
Content is A.
Only Repa will be there.
Ir plus A plus T.
Yeah.
What is the reaction?
Yeah.
Yeah. Re plus A plus T. Then can it
Okay.
cause Angakarya?
Plus A.
Can it cause Angakarya?
No, no Angakarya. Therefore, only Sandhi.
Sandhi only. Re plus A
N
plus-
Sandhi. N Sandhi.
Hmm.
So, Ir, Ya,
Yeah, plus T.
Ti.
So Repa Yati. This will be the form, right?
Riyati.
Yeah.
It's not Riyati.
No. Yeah.
Ir,
Riyati. Riyati,
Riyati.
right? The form is Riyati. Is it the correct one? This is not the correct form. So it cannot, it is not just simple Sandhi. Re plus A plus T, what we know is Sandhi only. Sandhi rule only we know. By applying Sandhi rule, we get Riyati. This is not correct. This is wrong. Then what to do? Then we have to know this rule. That is why the rule I wrote here. We'll see the rule and correct the form. Then you will get the form, correct form. That is, the rule is when Ajadi Pratyaya follows. When Ajadi Pratyaya follows Ivarna or Uvarna. Ivarna means Ikara or Ikara. Both Rasva Dirga, both can be brought in. Ivarna or Uvarna. Uvarna is Ukara or Ukara. So when Ajadi Pratyaya follows Ivarna or Uvarna follows Dhatu ending with. Let me put like this. Dhatus ending with Ivarna or Uvarna. Then what will happen? Ivarna is replaced by E. Ivarna is replaced by E, and Uvarna by U. This is a rule. Ivarna is replaced by E and Uvarna by U. So this is and you can take it as it is apavada. You can take it as apavada. Apavada to what? Apavada to sandhi. Sandhi karya, it is not antaranga. It is not internal. Sandhi karya to be done only when all the karyas have been done. Okay. Whereas this is anga karya. When ajadi pratyaya follows dhatu. Dhatu is the prakriti. Pratyaya follows. Pratyaya can cause change in the prakriti, the dhatu. So dhatu being the anga, in the anga undergoes changes. Anga karya is antaranga. Antaranga, therefore, it is done first. Moreover, this is by the sutram, Achishno dhatu bruvang yam uvangau. Just write the sutram. This sutra comes later. It comes later in the anga section. It is 6477. This sutra, other words are there which we don't require. That's why I have not covered that other. When context comes, we will see. Achishno dhatu bruvang yuvoho riyang uvangau. That is the rule. Here, what is required only for us, that part only I have taken. Achi is ajadi pratyaya, follows shnu. Shnu is fifth gana. I think we have seen this. In shnu, fifth gana, I have explained this.
Yes, Sharanji, I think. So.
Right? We have seen this because shnu is the swadigana. We have seen many form derivations. In fact, adatatika forms also we have seen. You remember this sutram, this rule?
Heard this, Niti.
I think Sutram we didn't do,
Yeah,
but
heard this.
you
Not
explained.
sutra, but the rule.
You explained the rule. Yeah.
I have sent you Swadigana, the file long
Yeah.
back, what we did in the class. It's a long file, I think. It's a big one. So in that, if you see, we have mentioned this. I'll show you. This file, when I show you the file, you will remember. Oh, this already we have seen. You can see. Important rules to be remembered for Swadigana. Ukara, Shnu or U, preceded by a non-conjunct consonant and followed by H, replaced by Yen Sandhi. This is Yen Sandhi. Ukara, Ashnu, followed by a preceded by a conjunct consonant and followed by H, it will replace by U. Remember this? That's how we get Shaknuvanti.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did this.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
Here, Uvang part we have seen.
Yeah.
Here part one, we are going to see. That's all. That's the difference. So this is the one. Uvarna, Ukara preceded by. Ukara preceded by a na, preceded by a conjunct consonant. When followed by H, it will replace by Uvang. Therefore, only Shaknuvanti you get. Whereas Chidatu, it is Chinvanti. There it is Yen Sandhi. It is preceded when Ukara is preceded by a non-conjunct consonant. So this something already we have seen. I think we would have done elaborately down below. You can check this file. It must be there. Otherwise, no problem. This rule you can note. The Uvang part we have seen in Swadigana. Why I said we must have done, because Shnu is there. Shnu is Swadigana Pratyaya. So you can note this. So that the dhatu ending with Ivarna or Uvarna will be replaced by, when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya. When followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, it will be replaced by, that Ivarna will be replaced by Iya Adesha, and Uvarna will get U Adesha. So therefore only Shaknuvanti, etc. you get. Okay. So this rule to be applied here. So when you apply this rule, now come back here. So what will happen? When you apply this, re plus shap plus step. So what will happen to re here now? Re plus a. Dhatu,
Yeah.
re followed by
E.
Jati Pratyaya.
E.
Re will be replaced by,
Yeah.
yes, E will
E.
be replaced by E. So the form of the dhatu would be riyati. The form is riyati. So you get the form riyati. That is the correct form, not riyati. This is wrong. Right? So riyati, riyataha, riyanti. Riyasi, riyataha, riyata. Riyami, riyavaha, riyamaha. So gatau, gatyartaka dhatu. So and lang lakara would be ariyat, ariyatam,
Riyan.
then ariyaha,
Yata.
ariyata,
Ari.
ariyata,
Ariyata.
ariyam.
Aryava.
Ariyava.
Aryama.
Vidyaling would be
Riye.
Riyatu. Riyatu.
Vidyaling. Okay.
Oh, Vidyaling. Riye.
Riyetam.
Riyatam.
Hmm.
Riyehu.
Then
Riyehe.
Riyetam,
Riyatam.
Riyeta,
Riyata.
Riyeyam,
Riyam.
Riyam.
Riyeva,
Riyeva.
Riyema.
Riyema.
yes, lot would be riyatu.
Riyatu.
Riyatam.
Riyantu.
Riyantu, Riyat,
Riyat. Riya.
Riyatam, Riyata,
Riyatam. Riyata. Riyani.
Riyani,
Riyava.
Riyava,
Riyama.
Similarly, we have another gatyarthaka dhatu, the same gana, tudadi gana. Just you can copy paste, which is P dhatu. That also gatau, parasmay pari dhatu only. Ikaranta dhatu. So the form would be
Riyati.
piyati. So piyati, piyataha, piyanti. So the form is piyati, piyataha, piyanti, piyasi, piyataha, piyata, piyami, piyavaha, piyamaha. Same meaning, gatau. Then can take another dhatu. Another dhatu we can take, which is dhi dhatu. Alpa prana. And mahaprana, di rasva, dhi dhatu. Dharane. Dharane, to old. That's the meaning. Dhi. Which is also parasmay pari dhatu. Dhi, dharane. So that form would become dhyati. Dhyati, dhyataha, dhyanti. Dhyasi, dhyataha, dhyata. Dhyami, dhyavaha, dhyamaha. Similarly, another dhatu is there, kshi dhatu. What is the meaning of kshi dhatu? What is the meaning of kshi dhatu?
Shaye, is it?
Kshaye is there. That is
This
Kshaye, in
change.
which gana it is?
That is first gana. Yeah.
It is Kshaye is first gana, Vadi gana. There it means Kshayati. Kshaye, it is to get destroyed, to decompose. Meaning Kshayaha, right?
Yeah.
Akshaya, not Akshayaha is opposite. Kshayaha navartate yasya Akshayaha, Akshaya patram. Kshi is in many gana. So it is Swadhigana also is a Kshinoti, Kshindaha, Kshinwanti. That it is Imsaya. But here it is Nivasa Gatyoho. This is also under Gatyataka Dhatu, Kshi Dhatu, where the meaning is Nivasa. Nivasa is Vasdhatu. From Vasdhatu you get Nivasa, to stay. Nivasa Gatyoho. So to stay, to live, or to go. That meaning, Kshi. So here the form of the dhatu would be Kshi plus Sha plus Parasmapadi dhatu. This is, so this will become the form is Kshiyati. The form is Kshiyati. Kshiyati, Kshiyataha, Kshiyanti. So therefore, in all these forms, so what rule we apply is when Ajadi Pratyaya follows the Ivarnanta or Uvarnanta dhatu, don't do Sandhi because this is an Angakarya. So therefore, being Angakarya, when the Pratyaya follows the Anga is dhatu, replace the Ivarna by E and Uvarna by U. By this rule, Achishnu dhatu bruvam Yoho Yingvangau. Okay. This is all our Ikaranta dhatu. Then we will see. These are all Ikaranta. Ikaranta, Ukaranta, Dhatavaha, we are going to see. In that Ikaranta dhatus we have seen. Now Ukaranta dhatu we will see. Similarly, Ukaranta dhatu. Ukaranta dhatu, you can take the example dhatu. Gu dhatu. Gu dhatu. Dhatu, gu meaning. Dhatu, gu meaning. Let me check the meaning. Gu is Udadagana. Purishod sarge. To excrete, that's the meaning. Gu. Dhatu, gu dhatu. Purishod sarge. This is Uvarnata dhatu. Gu plus lat becomes, if you don't apply this rule, you get Gvati, but that is not the form. So Gu will become, Gu is replaced by Up dhatu. Therefore, you get Guvati. Guvati, Guvataha, Guvanti. Guvasi, Guvataha, Guvata. Guvami, Guvavaha, Guvamaha iti rupam. Guv dhatu. Then the next one, next dhatu under this is, you can take the dhatu, Dhru dhatu. Dhru dhatu, which is also into Dhadigana, Gatistairya yogo. Gatistairya yogo. Dhru dhatu. Gati is movement. Stairya yoyo. Stairya yogo. Stairya yoga is, stairya is sthirasya bhavaga stairya. To be firm, fixed. That's the meaning, stairya. So dhruvaha. In Upanishad we saw dhruvaha, the word that is from this dhatu only, dhru dhatu. Varnanta dhatu, dhru dhatu. That will form would become Dhru plus Sha plus T will become Dhruvati. This will get Uvang Adesha, Up Adesha, Dhruvati. Here, the rule one, just I'll tell one thing. It is replaced by E and U, I said. In the Sutram, if you see, he has given, you have to split this to understand. I just explained this. When Ajadi Pratyaya follows, Achi Pare, when Ajadi Pratyaya follows what? Shnu part not required. And Bru also not required. That is Bru for the Bru Shabda. Bru, Bru, Bruvaha, Ukarantaha, Srilinga. That is different, not required for this, in this context. Dhatu only is required. So when the Dhatu follows Ajadi Pratyaya, then Yuvoho Riyangu Vango. This part you take it. Just for Sandhi, nothing else. How do you split this? Can you split this? I told you that it is replaced by Iya and Ub. So that is also is there. So in this, what is there is Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta will be replaced by Iya and Ub. This is what is there in this word. Now you have to split to understand that. How do you split this?
Yuvoho Yang.
Oh, okay.
Yang Wang.
Yang.
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 Uang.
Yang.
Oh,
Uang.
what is Yuvoho?
It's a sixth case.
Very good, sixth case of what?
Is that, um,
E and O.
E
E and U.
yeah.
Ikaran.
E and U. Ikara plus Ukara. What Sandhi will happen?
Hence,
N
Yeah,
Sandhi.
Sandhi.
So Ikara plus Ukara, E will be replaced by Ikara. Therefore, you get U. U when you decline it, so Shashti Bhakti will be Uroho. Yuvoho.
Yeah.
So Yuvoho stands for Ikara plus Ukara. Right? And here it is Yang plus Uvang. Two things are there, Yang and Uvang. Here Nakara is it letter. The content is only here. Similarly, in Uvang also Nakara Na is it letter. The content is U only. So E and U only. So Yang Uvang Ho is Yang and Uvang Adesha. So I will say sometimes Yang Adesha, Uvang Adesha. Then we can remember Yang Adesha, what I mean is E Adesha. Uvang Adesha means U Adesha. Okay. So whenever Yang Uvang I say that is I am referring to this rule. When Ajadi Pratyaya follows, Ivarna will take Yang Adesha, Uvarna will take Uvang Adesha. Yang Uvang Ho is there. So Yang plus Uvang, when you join this, it's simple Melanam. Nakara plus U will become Nu, Yang, Uvang, and it is Dvivachanam. Therefore, Marut Marutau. So Yang Uvang Ho it will become. Okay, this is what is there here. Yang Uvang Ho. So it can be familiar with the word Yang and Uvang Adesha. Going back to the Karanta Dhatu. So you get Dhruvati. Then some more Dhatu we can take. There is another Dhatu which is in Tudadigana. Kung Dhatu. Kung Shabde. Dhatu is Kung Dhatu. Nakara is iterated, it is Atmanipadi Dhatu. Kung, Nakara is iterated. It is Shabde. To make sound. Nakara is iterated, therefore it is Atmanipadi. Dhatu having Akara as iterator will be Atmanipadi. So therefore, Kung plus Latlakara, you add the Pratyaya, Te, add Te. So the form would be Kuvate. Kuvate, kuvete, kuvante. Kuvase, kuvesh, kuvete, kuvadve. Kuve, kuvavahe, kuvamahe. And another dhatu, we can take Varnanta dhatu, Nuv dhatu. Dhatu is Nu. Nu means Aupadeshika dhatu is Nud. Aupadeshika dhatu is Nu. Aupadeshika dhatu is, I think it must be Nu. Let me check, but I don't find that. Must be, maybe it is not here in the Dhatu Pata. There is one Dhatu is that Nu Dhatu. Let's see it in the Dhatu Pata here. There is some Pata Veda. So there is a Dhatu Nu. I'll check the meaning and tell you later. Nu Dhatu is there. Nu Dhatu, it is there in Svadigana. That is Stutau, that is different. This is Adadigana, that is different. In Tudadigana, we have one Dhatu is the Nu Dhatu, which is not there here in the list. I'll find out and tell you later what does it mean. But there is a Dhatu. Nu plus Sha plus Tip will become Nuvati. The form would be Nuvati, Nuvataha, Nuvanti. Ukaranta dhatu will get U adesha, Uvang adesha, therefore we get the form Nuvati, Nuvataha, Nuvanti. Then one minute, maybe Nu, maybe Dirga. Yes, I wrote it by mistake. Yes, Dirga. It is not Rasva, it is Dirga. I was checking in the wrong one. This is Dirga, Nu.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
given Stavane.
Yes,
No Stavane.
yes. So Nu, Stavane, to price. Just Parasmepadi Dhatu. So therefore, Dirga also the same thing will only happen, nothing changes. Whether it is Rasva or Dirga, it will get Yang Adesha, Uvang Adesha only. So therefore, there is no problem. So you get the form is same only, Nuvati only. Similarly, another dhatu we can take. Shu dhatu. Aupadeshika dhatu must be Murdanya Shakara. Shu dhatu. Tudadigana. Shu, prerane, to inspire. Shu. Dhatu is Su, prerane, which is also Parasmepadi dhatu. Therefore, the Rupam would be Suvati. Suvati, Suvataha, Suvanti. Suvasi, Suvataha, Suvataha. So like that the form would be. So these are enough. These examples are enough. So Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta, Dhatu. So Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta Dhatus will get Yang Uvang Adesha. Then we will see Rikaranta Dhatu. What will happen for the Rikaranta Dhatu? The next category. Why Avarnanta not there? Avarnanta is not there. That is why not covered. So Avarnanta not there, therefore Ivarna, Uvarna. Now we will see Rikaranta. Rikaranta Dhatavaha. The Rikaranta Dhatus are there. In this Gana, Rikaranta Dhatus are there. But before that, we will see some the rule related to that, or I will explain with the example. I think I'll explain the example. That would be better. So, Rikaranta dhatu. If you take the example, one minute. Yes, we can take the example Prudhatu. We can take the example Prudhatu. Prudhatu, which is in Tudadigana, meaning Vyayame. It is Atmani Paridhatu. Dhatu is Prung Dhatu. Vyayame, which is Atmani Paridhatu. So, what will happen in Latlakara? Pru plus Lat. Let us do Pratama Purusha, Ekavachanam. So, Pru plus Te would be Pru plus Sha plus Te. So, what will happen here? Pru plus Sha plus Te. Kimbhavati. What rule you know to apply this?
Urandraparaha happen.
Urandraparaha. The Urandraparaha will apply only when
No, guna will not happen. Yeah.
Guna will not happen.
Yeah.
Urandraparaha will not apply. Urandraparaha, when you apply, when Rikara is replaced by An. But here what happens? Pru plus A plus Te. The same
Yen
Yan
Sandhi.
if you apply Yan Sandhi, the Rupam will not,
Akara will be there.
will not get the Rupam. So if you apply
Yeah.
Yan Sandhi, what will happen? Pakara, then
Some-
Ru will be replaced by
Ar,
Repa.
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 Repa, not Ar. Then Pratyay will get something like that, right? But it's not a form.
They,
So you will
we
not
will.
Pratyay you will get. Pakara, Ru will be replaced by Repa, Pratyay. So that is not the form. So here what happens is the Ru is there, which is replaced by, Ru will be replaced by Ri. It is replaced by Ri. Rikara is replaced by Ri. It is Pakara plus Rikara is there. That Ru is replaced by Ri. When it is replaced by what you get? Pri. When does that happen? That rule we'll see. That rule we will see. I will explain that rule. Let us do this form. So therefore, it is not Prate, it is Pri plus A plus Te. Pri plus A plus Te. Now Pri plus A, what will happen? Pri plus A plus Te.
It become
Priyate.
so
Priyate.
Now you can apply this rule.
yeah.
What rule?
Iyang adesha.
Yang
Vikaranta.
Adesha rule.
Yeah.
So
Priya.
therefore, what will happen
Priyati.
becomes
Priyati.
you get the you get the word Priyate. You get the form Priyate. Priyate, Priyate, Priyante. Priyase, Priyate, Priyadve. Priye, Priyavage, Priyamage. So, Pri is replaced by Ri. After that, Yang Adesha. Now, how does this Ri is replaced by Ri? That rule we will see. The rule is for Rikaranta Dhatu. This is for the Rikaranta Dhatu. Rikaranta Dhatu. Again, here also the rule is many are there. We take only Sha part only will take. When Sha Pratyaya follows what? Rikaranta Dhatu. Rikara will be replaced by Ring Adesha. when the dhatu, when Rukaranta dhatu is followed by Rukaranta dhatu is followed by Rukara, what we can bring in Dirgha also. When Rukaranta dhatu is followed by Sha Pratyaya, Vivarna is replaced by Ri. Here also it is given ring adesha, but na is it letter, so it is replaced by Ri. This is by the rule, by the sutram. Ring shak yang ling shu. This is by the sutram. Ring shak yang ling shu. Many are there. Other words are there. Ling is there. Then yak is there. That is not required. Yak, you know. Yak is what? It is karmani.
Karmani.
So that is karmani. This is what we apply in karmani also. In karmani, what you remember if you, that kru dhatu, what is the karmani form of kru dhatu?
Kriyate.
Kriyate.
Yes, the karmani chart what you have seen long back.
Yeah.
So kru plus yak plus te. Kru is replaced by ri, because therefore kri plus ya plus te. You get kriyate. There I have mentioned on the chart, I have mentioned this rule. Ring shak ling shu. Ring sha yak ling shu. So sha is here. Sha is the Tudadigana. Yak is, that is karmani. For karmani, that yak pratyaya comes. Yeah, that is yak. Then ling. Ling is ling lakara. Ling is ashyaling. In fact, it is ashyaling that we will see later. That part we will see later. Ashyaling we have not seen. So this rule is applied. So when Rikaranta dhatu is followed by Sha Pratyaya, particularly Sha Pratyaya, not Ajadi Pratyaya, Sha Pratyaya. Pratyaya has to be Sha, that is Tudadigana Ikana Pratyaya. Then it is replaced by Ri. So once it is replaced by Ri, then it becomes Vivarnanta dhatu. Once it becomes Vivarnanta dhatu, when followed by Ajadi Pratyaya, you apply Ing Uvangadesha. So you get the form. Understand? So Priyate. Similarly, we can take other dhatu. Or dhatu. Mru dhatu we can take. Mru dhatu. So therefore, only this, okay, this is in this Sha, Mru dhatu. Okay, that is, I thought it is in Divadigana. That okay. Mru dhatu if you take. Mru will become Mriyate. Mru dhatu, which is in Tudadigana, its form would become Mriyate, Mriyate, Mriyante. Mriyante is, it is Prana Tyage. Dhatu artha is Prana Tyage. It is Atmanepari dhatu. So Mru plus Lat will become Mru plus Sha plus Te. Then this Makara, it gets Ri Adesha. So the form is Mriyate. Mriyate, Mriyate, Mriyante. Another example also we can do. There is a Dhru dhatu in this Gana, Tudadigana, Dhru dhatu. Dhru dhatu with Ang Upasarga, you get the form Adrin, Adare. The meaning is Adare. Generally, this dhatu also you will see with the Upasarga. Upasarga, you will see the form. So we can take that dhatu also as an example. Dhru dhatu. The meaning is adare. Adare is to respect. Atmanepadi dhatu. So you will see this dhatu with ang upasarga. So if upasarga is there, then dru, a plus dru. A plus dru, it will become the rupam would be ad driyate. Adriyate, adriyate, adriyante. So adriyate is the rupam. Okay, this is Rikaranta dhatu. So mru, pru, mru, dru, and dru. Then what about Rikaranta dhatu? This is Rikaranta dhatu. It is Rasva. Rasva Rikaranta. What will happen if it is Dirgha Rikaranta? That also we will see. Rikara, will it not Rikaranta covers that? Yes, covers, but for Dirgha Rikaranta, there is some specific rules. Rikaranta dhatu, Dirgha Rikara. There are dhatus, Kru dhatu, Gru dhatu. Kru dhatu, very famous dhatu, known in this Kana. What will happen to that dhatu, Kru dhatu? Let me take the example here. Kru dhatu. Kru meaning to scatter. It comes in Mundaka Upanishad also. Vikshepe, Kru, Vikaratiga Soumya, Kru, Vikshepe. The word comes, Kriyapadam comes in Mundaka Upanishad. Kru dhatu. When Kru is there, Gru is there, all these are in this Gana only. So what will happen to Kru? Rukara anta dhatu. Kru plus tip. Kru plus shap plus tip. Kim bhavati? Rukara anta dhatu, can you replace it by re?
Replaced by year.
No? This will get?
Replaced by year.
Yes, this is for Rukaranta dhatu. We have another rule. Rukaranta dhatu will get the adesha ir. Rukaranta dhatu will get the adesha ir. Rutaha it dhatoho. That is, Rukaranta dhatu, before you do any angakarya, Rukara will be replaced by ir. Rukara will be replaced by ir. So Rutaha id dhatoho. Rukarasya stane ir adesha bhavati. So therefore, this rule you have to remember for Rukaranta dhatu. That is 7100. Rutaha it dhatoho. Rukarasya stane ikaradesha bhavati. Here only Urand Aparag is applied. That is Ruvarnanta dhatu. Ruvarnanta dhatu is Dirgha. Ruvarnanta dhatu will get E adesha. E adesha. This is a rule. Because Ru is replaced by E, therefore Repa will be appended to it. Because Ru is replaced by letter, Anvarna. Ikara is Anvarna. Therefore, Repa is appended to it. Repa is appended to the Adesha E. Therefore, here will be the Adesha. Therefore, here will be the Adesha. What is the nimitta for causing? There is no nimitta. Rivarnanta dhatu will get I Adesha. So therefore, when you do, first what you have to do is Kru dhatu, it will become Kir. It will become Kir. Replace Ru by Re. E. Hello.
Yes, dear.
And now we can hear Sharanji.
Yes. UPS is just, but still it switches off when the power goes away. So do you see the screen? Rikaranta dhatu, what I am typing?
Yes, Jay.
Yes.
Rikaranta dhatu, Rivarnanta dhatu will get E Adesha. Because Ru is replaced by unletter, Repa is appended to the Adesha E. Therefore, it will be the Adesha. Up to this we have seen, right? Power went off in between. Okay. So we have to start from here, right? Kru. I think up to this you would have heard. Can you hear me?
Yes, dear.
Yes, Jay.
Kru will become Kir. So Kir is the Rupam. What is the Nimitta? There is no Nimitta. There is no Nimitta. Wherever Rikaranta is there, that replace it by Rikaranta Dhatu. The Dhatu, it has to be a Dhatu. So Sutra is Rutaha it Dhatoho. Rutaha it Dhatoho. This is 7,100. Rutaha it Dhatoho. The rule says Rutaha Rikarantasya Stane. It means Ikaraha. Only I. Takara is only Ucharnartham. It Adesha Bhavati. And it is Dhatoho. It should be belonging to a Dhatu. That's very specific. So this is applicable for the Dhatu. And this is 7,100. Angasya section. Therefore, before you add the Pratyaya, or when the Pratyaya comes, not because of the Pratyaya, the presence of Pratyaya, it's by the presence of Pratyaya, Kuru gets the Sanya Anga. Right? When Pratyaya comes, when you add, so let me put it like this. Dhatu is Kru Dhatu. When the Pratyaya is added, then the Kru Dhatu gets the Sanya Anga. Now, Ru Varnantasya Angasya Dhatoho Kimbhavati, it will get it Adesha, therefore becomes Kir. So Kir plus A plus Sha plus T. Therefore, you get the form Kirati. Kirati, Kirataha, Kiranti. Kirasi, Kirataha, Kirata. Kirami, Kiravaha, Kiramaha iti rupam. Similarly, we have another dhatu, Gru dhatu, the same gana. So as we did this, same way we have to do. That form would be Girati, Girataha, Giranti. I think Gru meaning to vomit. Check that. I'll check Gru dhatu. Gru meaning to vomit, I think. Nigarane, yeah. Sorry, it is meant to eat, to swallow, not vomit. Nigarane. Nigarane, it is Parasmapadi Dhatu. The Rupam would be Girati, Girataha, Giranti. So Gru is replaced by Ir, and therefore the Rupam is Girati, Girataha, Giranti, Girasi, Girataha, Girataha. This is Rivarnanta Dhatu. So if it sorry again. So I was saying if it is Rikaranta, under Rikaranta, if it is Rasva Rikaranta, it is replaced by Ri Adesha. If it is Dirga Rikaranta, it is replaced by Ir Adesha. So you can remember. So Ivarnanta, Uvarnanta, then Rivarnanta also we have seen. The next one, after this we will see, this also probably would have covered in the other Gana, first Gana I think, first Gana and the fourth Gana. Important Dhatu in this Gana, Shad Dhatu. What is meaning of Shad? Shadlu. Visarana Gati Avasadhaneshu. From this only we get the word Upanishad. Shadlu Dhatu. Important Dhatu. Which is in this Gana, Shadalu. The content of the Dhatu is Shad. Upadeshika Dhatu is Shadalu. Therefore, the content is Shad. And Dhatva Dekhe Shaha Saha. It will become Sad. Therefore, you get the form Sad. So, this is in Tudadigana as well as in Bhuvadigana. The Shadal Dhatu. In Tudadigana as well as Bhuvadigana. In both Digana, it is there. Shadal Dhatu is there. Both the Gana have the same meaning. Visharana Gati Avasadhaneshu. So, Visharana Gati Avasadhaneshu. But the Upanishad, the word comes from the Bhuvadigana, because there only it has the meaning, all the three meaning with the Bhashikara, he explains Visharana Gati Avasadhana iti. But here it is Visharana Gati Avasadhaneshu only, but it is it has got other meaning. Dukkha, etc. Those meanings are also there. So therefore, this is not a dhatu from which the Upanishad, the word is derived. But if you see the dhatu pada, the meaning is given same, but there is a difference between the two dhatu. Anyway, so the form is sad. So what will happen to sad dhatu in the Vadigana? What we did? What will happen to sad? Shadda will become sad. Then after that, in Vadigana, we saw this sad plus shap plus tip. What is the form you get?
See the tea. See the tea.
Yes. So what happens there? How do you get see the tea?
Akara is replaced by Ikara.
Akara is replaced by Ikara. No, it is okay. I think you're telling what causes that? What causes Sadhu to be replaced by Sida? When a Shit Pratyaya follows. When a Shit Pratyaya follows. When Shit Pratyaya follows, what happens to Sad? Here Shakara is it. When Shit Pratyaya follows, Sad is replaced by Sid. The whole thing is replaced. It is not Akara is replaced by Yi. Here, the form of the dhatu itself is replaced. Sad is replaced by Sid. So, Sid plus A plus T. Therefore, you get Sidati. So, similarly, the Pa dhatu we saw in this Gana, only Pa dhatu. What will happen to Pa plus Shap plus Tip?
Yeah,
Yeah,
Pibati.
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 Yeah, that long rule one.
Long rule is there. Yes, that's one. Which it has got dhatus of Vadigana, Then
Yeah.
other gana also, Tudadi gana dhatus also not included in that long rule. Pa is replaced by pib. Then a plus t becomes pibati, right? So the nimitta what causes is when shit pratyaya follows. When shit pratyaya follows, it happens. So the same rule here, that this list of dhatus we have seen in the Vadigana. Now, in those lists, there are some Tudadigana dhatus which we would not have seen. That only we are going to recover. So the rule is, the sutram for that is a long sutra. Pa, gra, dhva, sta, etc. One long sutra is there. This is the one, the sutram. 7378. Pa, gra, dhva, sta, na, dhan, drishya, then arti, that is ru, then sarti, shada, sadam. This is what we are interested. Sad, this sad dhatu, shadlu dhatu, which is in Vadigana as well as in Tudadigana. Tudadigana dhatu, we are interested. So these dhatus, the list of dhatus, are replaced respectively by pib, jig, dhama, tisht, man, yach, pashya. Drishtata replaced by pashya. Then ru is replaced by rich. Then dau, shia, seed. This last part, seed. Seed. Seed is the adesha. What is the nimitta? When shit pratyaya follows. Shiti pare. That comes as anuvritti. You don't see it here. This is 78. Shiti pare. This is the rule. When shit pratyaya follows, what will happen to these dhatus? These dhatus will get adesha. So sad will get seed. Therefore, seedati. The sad dhatu, here it is. Tudadigana, shadlu, that will become shad. Shad will upadeshika dhatu sad. Then you get the form seedati. Similarly, the other dhatu, shada, that also you can take. Shada. What will happen to shada? Dhatu. Shadlu also is there. Shadlu.
Yeah.
This is Talavesha.
Shia, it becomes she.
So shad will become, you can check here, that is replaced by shia. So therefore this will become she plus, sorry, this is not shap, we are doing Tudadigana. This is sha. So the form is shiyati. Shiyat, it's Atmanipadi dhatu, it is on Parasmipadi. Because dhatu is Shaddalu is Atmanipadi to Shiyate. Shadalu Shatane. It is Atmanipadi Parasmipadi. 1 minute. It is Parasmipadi only. Okay. It is Parasmipadi Shiyati only. So here you can take it as the special dhatus. These are special dhatus. Special dhatavaha, Vishesha dhatavaha. Why Vishesha dhatavaha? Because the whole form is replaced. So for that, this is the sutram. This applies. So Shadalu. Shadalu is Shatane Parasmaipadi dhatu. Shad plus Sha plus T will become Shiyati, Shiyataha, Shiyanti. Similarly, Shadalu, which means Visharana Gati Avasadhaneshu, Visharana Gati Gatyavasadhaneshu. Shad will become Sad, then Sad plus Sha plus Te becomes Sidati, Sidataha, Sidanti. I think these are the only two dhatus in this list, long list. Two dhatus, Shad and Shadala, which belong to Tudadigana. In fact, this Shadala, it is in both the dhatus are in Dvadigana also. This dhatu, Shadala also, which is in Dvadigana. And Shadala also is in Dvadigana. But here it is Tudadigana. Therefore, Kanabikrana comes. The form is Shiyati. What will happen if it is in Dvadigana, this Shadala dhatu? In Dvadigana, what will happen? Shadda plus the dhatu, Shadda in Dvadigana, what will happen? Shadda is replaced by Shia. Then plus A plus T. The Rupam is same, right? Here, I thought here Guna will happen, but here Upada is Dirgha. Upada is not Rasva. So therefore, the Rupam is same. Nothing happens here. The form is same. The form is same for both the Bhuvadigana as well as Tudadigana. Maybe the form may be different for the other Lakara. But Sarvadhatuka Lakara, it is going to be the same. For all Sarvadhatuka Lakara, Shad is replaced by Shia and Shad is replaced by Sida. Therefore, no Angakarya possibility here. Therefore, the Rupam will be same for both Bhuvadigana and Tudadigana. Maybe in Adadhatuka Lakara, the form may be different. Okay, these are the two dhatus in the long list, special dhatus. Then the next other special dhatus are there in this Gana itself. This is one. The other special dhatus. Let me name it as this is one special dhatu. This is number 2. So this is by the rule. This rule, I will write it here. Shadalu and Shadalu of Tudadi Ganadhatu and followed by Shit Pratyaya will get She and seed Desha respectively. Rather, this is a sutra. So this is A special. Then next one, B. Under Vishesha Dhatu, next one is B. In this Gana only, Dhatu, Ish Dhatu is there. Ish Dhatu. Ishu, Ichchayam. Aupadeshika Dhatu is Ishu, which meaning Ichchayam. So what will happen to Ish? Ishu Dhatu. Dhatu is Ish. Ish plus Sha plus Tit. It's Atmanepadi, it's Parasmapadi Dhatu. So what is the form? Ish plus, you get the form. Ish will be replaced by what? Ish will be replaced by
Icha, is it?
Shakara is replaced by Chakara. That is the rule. Murdhanya Shakara is replaced by Shakara. I tell you what is the rule. Ishugami Yamam Chaha, that is the rule. Okay, let me write that. So here, this Ishdatu of Tadadigana. Why Ishdatu of Tadadigana? Because the Ishdatu is in Divadiya also we have seen. Divadiya also it is there. There in Divadigana it is Isha, but here it is Ishu. That is very important. That's why Upadeshika Dhatu is important. Issue. So let me write like this then. That is Issue Dhatu. Issue. Issue is when U as a ith letter belongs to Tudadigana. Because Isha Dhatu, Ish Dhatu is there in other Gana also. It is in ninth Gana as well as it is in the Divadigana. Fourth Gana also it is there. Fourth Gana we have seen. Ishyati, Ishyataha, Ishyanti. Remember the form, Ishyati. There the meaning is different. Gatau. But here it is Ichaya. Tudadigana, the meaning of the Dhatu is Icha, to desire. In fourth Gana, it is Gatau. Ishyati, Yeshyati, and all we use. So in the Divadigana, Dhatu is Isha. There the Anubandha is Akara. But here Anubandha is Ukara. Therefore, you have to make the see the difference. The content is Ish only, but Upadeshika Dhatus are different. Anubandhas are different. Therefore, you have to note. So, therefore, this rule, that is Shakara replaced by Chakara, is applicable only for Tudadigana Dhatu, not for Divadigana or not for the ninth Gana, Krayadigana Dhatu. Please note, that is why I am writing Ishu Dhatu, Ishu Ukara as Anubandha. Of Tudadigana will get what Adesha? Chakara Adesha. Will get Chakara Adesha. When does it get Chakara Adesha? When it is followed by Shit Pratyaya. When it is followed by Shit Pratyaya. When followed by Shit Pratyaya. This is by the rule.
So fourth Gana Ishyati, isn't it?
Fourth Gana Ishyati. Yes, nothing happens. The sutra itself, you see, Ishu Gami Yamam Chaha. Here, very specifically, the sutra itself, Panaya Maharishi has mentioned Ishu. He doesn't say Ish. He says Ishu. Ishu, by saying Ishu, is referring to the Dhatu in the Tudadigana. So Tudadigana Dhatu only will get this Chakara Adesha. Understand?
Yes, dear.
Yes, Ishraj.
Not in the not the other Dhatu, not the Dhatu in the fourth Gana. It is Ishyati. So when Shit Pratyaya follows, Ish Dhatu will get Chakara Adesha. Now, Ish plus Sha plus the fourth Gana Dhatu. So Muddhane Shakara gets Chakara Adesha. And after that, what will happen?
Is it Tukkaga?
Very good. That Chakara, when Chakara follows Rasva, Kimbavati,
Takara will come.
Tukkagama.
Tukkagama.
Tukkagama Sandhi we have seen. So we can
Yeah.
Rasvasya. Rasvasya Kimbavati.
Priti Kriti
Not
Tuk.
Rasvasya. It is Sutra is Checha. Rasvasya Kriti Priti Tuk, one Sutra we have seen. It is Sandhi chart, if you see, it is there. Tukkagama Sandhi. 2 or 3 rules we have seen. Okay. If you have Sandhi, please keep it open. I'll show you. That is in the Sandhi chart, it is at the end. Tukkagama Sandhi. Rasvasya Kriti Priti Tuk, that is one rule. Checha rule is there, that is a rule. When Chakara follows what? Rasva. Then Rasva will get Tukkagama.
Tukkagama.
Showing you this Sandhi now. Please see. Rasva Ach, rule number 58. Tukkagama, Vidhi number 1. Rasva Ach, will take tukagama when followed by the krit pratyaya, which is a pit pratyaya. Example, chi plus lyap with ava upasarga. So chi is rasva and lyap is a krit pratyaya, which is a pit also. Therefore, it will get tukagama. Chi will get tukagama. Therefore, avachitya. This is one rule. That is not the rule applied here. What rule we apply here? Here we apply tukagama sandhi number 2. Rasva ach when followed by chakara. Then the rasva ach will take tukagama. Tukagama it will take. Che cha. Che is saptami bhakti. Che pare rasvasya tukagama bhavati. Vriksha plus chaya. Sandhi. Vriksha plus chaya becomes vrikshachaya. Vriksha ending with akara. The next padam beginning with next word beginning with chakara. Therefore, rasvasya akarasya tukagama bhavati vrikshachaya. This is the rule applied here. Therefore, here when chakara follows ikara, then what happens here? It will get tukagama.
Tukka.
So
Then Shutva Sandhi.
Shutva sandhi happens. You get ichha. Then ichhati. The form is ichhati. Ichhati, ichhataha, ichhanti. This is another Vishesha Dhatu in this Gana. And this is one Dhatu, one Vishesha Dhatu. Then the next one, number C. Any doubt in this?
No, Ji.
Then the next Dhatu. This Dhatu probably also you would have seen other Gana, Divadi Gana, I think. Trut Dhatu. Trut Dhatu. The meaning of trut is chedane, to cut. This is in Tudadigana as well as in Churadigana. So trut, chedane. I think this we would not have seen this. Yeah, this is Parasmay Paridhatu. Parasmay Paridhatu, trut dhatu. So now here what happens? See. Trut plus sha plus tip. So trut dhatu will be belonging to this Gana will take sha pratyaya. Will take sha pratyaya. Therefore, the form is trut plus plus t become the form is trutati, right? The form is trutati. Now this dhatu optionally it can take shen pratyaya also. Shen pratyaya is divadigana vikarana pratyaya. So this dhatu can take optionally shen also. So if it takes shen, then the form would be trutyati. So you have two forms. So you have two forms, trutati or trutyati. So trutati or trutyati. This is by this another special rule. Probably this also we would have seen other context, other Gana. When we saw other Gana, Bhuvadigana or Vadigana, there we would have seen this. By the Sutram, Va, Brasha, Blasha. This we have seen, this this rule we have seen. Brasha, Mlasha, Brahma, Krama, Klamu, that 3170, the rule. Dhatus listed here will take optionally shen pratyaya also. So 3170. In which context we saw? I have to check whether it is in Divadigana. I think it must be in Divadigana context. We would have seen this. So the dhatus are brash dhatu, blash dhatu, bram, kram, klam, tras, trut, lash.
In the first kana you showed us, Shanti.
First gana.
Bash plus shap plus te. Bashate.
Yeah, first gana, yeah, brash dhatu are in first gana, yes. So that will get shan pratyaya optionally. And trut is in tudadigana. Therefore, that part alone we have to take from this rule. Right? So in this list of dhatus, other dhatus we would have covered in the first gana. Therefore, trut dhatu only we required. So trut dhatu, which is in tudadigana, will take shan pratyaya optionally. This is by the sutram. This is a sutram. 3170. So you have the form Trutati or Trutyati. Then the next one, next is special Vishesha Dhatu, number D. D is, we'll do the dhatu, then I'll write the rule. Masjid dhatu, masjid plus sha plus ti. What is the form? It is not special really in the sense, it is simple, you can just add. Masjid dhatu is there, masjid. Masjid plus sha plus tip. What is the form you get?
Anjati.
Huh? Anchati. Yes, you're right. Sakara plus Jakara. What's in the?
Yeah, just
First is
Sakara
Chutwa.
plus yeah, Chutwa. Yeah.
Dashutva.
Then
Must
Jakara is there.
yeah.
Chakara is there. It's not a jal letter. And followed by what letter? Jash letter, right?
Yeah, just the Sandhi.
Followed by Jash letter. Jash. So Jal followed by Jash Sandhi number 2 will apply.
Yeah, 8 for 50.
Chakara will be replaced by. Therefore, Chakara will be replaced.
Jakara, Nyakara, Manjati.
No.
No, Jakara. Sorry, Jakara.
Chakara. Jash Sandhi number 2.
Jakara.
Yeah.
Manja.
Majjati.
Majjati.
So the form is Majjati. So this is, I included this Vishesha Dhatu because I think Vishesha it happens, only Sandhi rules apply. So here Shutva Sandhi, let me write this Shutva and
Just
Jashtva. Shutva and Jashta Sandhi applied. Applied for the dhatu must dhatu must meaning of dhatu majjati is immerse, right? Magna, I think all those things comes from this dhatu must. So the Upadeshika dhatu is, it is too much jo, shuddha. The Upadeshika dhatu is too much jo. So let me write Upadeshika dhatu. Too much jo. 2 is ithilata. And O is also ithilata. Adihin e to davaha. Then O is Upadeshe Anunasika chit. Shuddha. Therefore you get the form Majjati. So majjati, majjataha, majjanti, nimajjana, all those things from this majja. Even magna also from this dhatu. This is one Vishesha dhatu. The next one, number E. The next dhatu is one minute. I think in the same Gana only we have got another dhatu with this like this OLSG. Let me check. 1 minute. OLSG. Yeah,
In
OLSG.
breast also, no?
Breast jaw.
Breast jaw.
Yeah, the same. OLSG can take. OLSG also from this dhatu. OLSG is Vridayam to be to shy. So there are also the same things applied. So let me write another example for this under D. OLSG Vridayam. So this also like here it is less dhatu. So apply the same Stutra Sandhi and then Jasya Sandhi. You get the form. Lajjati. Lajjati, lajjataha, lajjanti. Okay. Then what is the next dhatu you said? Brasja.
Yeah, breast jaw.
Breast. That also we can take. But breast is something happens. Okay. I think I taught you Samprasanam, right? You know what Samprasanam is?
Yeah.
Yes.
A reversal of yens and
Okay. I think breast we will see separately because Samprasanam will happen. So therefore breast dhatu also we can see later. Because in this dhatu something happened. But breast dhatu, Samprasanam, bra is that will become bru. Therefore you get brijati, Samprasanam happens. That I'll cover it later. And a special another Samprasana related rules we will see. Okay, the next one is under the category E. The dhatu is a dhatu which is gatyartaka dhatu. Gatau dhatu which the content is which dhatu. Content is which. So what will happen? Which dhatu? Dodadikana vicha gatau parasmipadi dhatu. What you will apply before you add the pratyaya? Dhatu is vicha. Vicha. Cha is chakara. Checha you have to apply. So it will get
Picha.
tukkagama. Don't forget, always you have to add. This cha follows rasva. That is, rasva will get tukkagama. Therefore, form of the dhatu become which dhatu. So vicha is a dhatu, but when you apply tukkagama, the rupam becomes vicha. Now to this vicha only you can add the gana vikrana pratyaya. So now you can add the gana vikrana pratyaya. What will happen? We'll see. And there is something special here for this dhatu, which what happens is this which dhatu will get aya pratyaya. Will get aya pratyaya. Which dhatu will get aya pratyaya, then it will become vichaya. Now vichaya is a new dhatu. Therefore, vichaya plus, because it's a new dhatu, can you add sha? Can you add sha? Can you add sha or not? You cannot add sha because vichaya is a new dhatu. Which dhatu takes aya pratyaya, it becomes vichaya. Vichaya being a new dhatu, that is treated like the first gana, like nijanta we do causative. Or
Yeah.
the 10th Kanadatu, what we do, we add niche and then we add shep.
Sure.
Even at causative forms, what we do, add niche and then you get a new dhatu that is treated like the first Kanadatu, similarly here also. So once you add aya pratyaya, it becomes vichaya as a new dhatu. The new dhatu will take shap pratyaya only. Therefore, vichaya plus shap will become vichaya plus shap become vichayati. The rupam is vichayati. Now the question comes, how do you add aya? That is by the rule. There is a rule, the list of dhatus. Gup dhatu, dup dhatu, vichi dhatu. This we have seen in Nijanta. It's very Nijanta, some place we have seen. Nijanta, not in Nijanta. Somewhere we have seen this. Gup dhatu, not Nijanta, some place we have seen. Gup dhatu, dup dhatu, vichi is that. That is a dhatu. That is a dhatu.
Yeah,
Okay.
Vadigana only we saw.
Huh?
In Vadigana only we saw. First
Gaudigana,
Gana.
okay, yes, Gaudigana. Gopayati, yes. Gupdhatu becomes Gopayati. There we have seen. Yeah, Pani
Yeah.
and Pana in a particular meaning. Panayate, it will come. Stutyarte, yes, we have seen in Gaudigana. The same sutram, the same rule we have seen. So these dhatus listed here, the dhatus listed will get aya pratyaya. Like the dhatu, kam dhatu will get ning pratyaya. Remember? Kam dhatu. You add ning pratyaya, and after that only you have to do at the other forms. Kami you get, then kam is a new dhatu, then kamayate, kamayante you get. Similarly, here also these dhatus will get aya pratyaya, and after that becomes a new dhatu, then you add shap. So vichi is one of the dhatu here in this set of dhatus, which will take aya pratyaya. So vicha dhatu of the Tudadigana will get aya pratyaya by aya pratyaya. This is a rule sutram. Will get aya pratyaya, and therefore it becomes a new dhatu. Aya pratyaya, and it becomes a new dhatu. And it becomes which dhatu that will get a new dhatu and becomes a new dhatu. Then you add shap pratyaya. Then it will take shap pratyaya. Then shap pratyaya to be added. Shap to be added. So derive the Tingantam. Okay. So this is the rule. Which dhatu? Special dhatu. So you get vichayati. Right. Okay. I think with this Vishesha dhatus are all the Vishesha dhatus are covered. So Yivarnanta dhatu, Varnanta dhatu, Rikaranta dhatu, Rikaranta dhatu, then Vishesha dhatu. Dhatus we have covered. Then we will see dhatus which are Samprasarana dhatu. Samprasarana dhatavaha. Under that only we will see that brush, etc. I think that we can do. We can do it in the next class. If you have any doubts, please ask.
No, Ji.
Notion.
So this, as I told you, this I'll put it in a separate playlist. Later I will add it to the Sanskritam, the batch 1, batch 2, the later number. Okay. After finishing Karaka, it will take many classes. As I told, I will cover Karaka elaborately. You don't have to study again. Once for all, it is Karaka be dealt elaborately. Maybe 20 25 classes may go. So that is why between this break, I also have to work on this prepared material for that. It needs some time. So I thought in between we can do this Gana, Tudadi Gana. So in between that Karaka, I will do when I do Karaka, that I will add it in the main playlist, Sanskritam batch 1, batch 2. Okay. This I will put it in a separate playlist. So this material I'll send you. The next class we will continue with this Samprasarana Dhatu. Okay, so we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ ವಿಜಿ.
Dhanyawad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
ಶಿವಜಿ.
Just a small doubt, Shravji.
Yes, yes, please.
In the Sunday chart you showed us on the Tukkagama, what I got as a printout is a serial number 51, but what you showed me was 58. I think you have included some more.
Okay, I will send you this also.
Yeah, so this, the latest
think,
Sunday chart.
I've added many later probably.
Oh, okay, okay.
Yam Lopasandhi and all I've added. That's I think. Yam Lopasandhi, Jar Lopasandhi.
Oh,
Yeah, that on this one we don't.
I don't think we have it in
I'll send you.
our printout. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
Yam Lopasandhi, Jar Lopasandhi, which we covered. I don't know whether we covered in this class or in Ashtadhyaya class. Have you learned this Yarlopa, this Jar Lopasandhi, Yam Lopasandhi?
I
No,
don't
Sharanji.
remember.
I know, Sharanji. I don't think so.
No problem. That we'll see. See, just
Okay.
two rules. We'll see now. Huh? I said Purnamadaha, doesn't matter. Do it. Yam Lopasandhi. You can see Yam Lopasandhi and Jar Lopasandhi because I'm going to send this. So I'll explain this now. It can then become easy. Yam letter. What is Yam letter? What are Yam letters? What is Yam? Hayavarat. Yam is the
I have it, you know, yeah.
Hayavarat, Lan, Nyama, Ngata, Nam. So Yam stands for this, all the semi-vowels and fifth letter of all the classes, right?
Yeah.
So this Yam letter preceded by Hal, a consonant, followed by Yam. Then what will happen to the Yam? The Yam will drop. The first Yam will drop. So the Yam letter following the Hal and the Yam follows the Yam, then this Yam will drop. Example, Aditya, this take like this, Aditya plus Ya. Here, Takara is Hal, followed by Yakara, and Yakara followed by Yakara. So Yakara being Yam letter, this Yakara drops away, therefore you get Aditya. This is what this is optional. Therefore, Aditya is, both are okay. This letter is optional rule. You can see the Kurmaha, the word, Vayam Kurmaha. That Kurmaha, if you see there, Kur Repa is there. And Makara is Yam letter, followed by Makara. So two Makaras are there, one Makara, that is the Yam letter will drop, Kurmaha. You may ask why that Makara is there. That is because of Dve, that Dvitvam happens. That is not required because that if you go there, then we have to see Achoraghabhyam de, Anachicha, those rules we have to see, which is not required here. Example only, from the example only you understand what is this, why this duplication happens is out of scope here. It is not covered in this Sandhi chart. That context came, I think, somewhere in Ashtadhyaya class. So there the duplication, the Yakara is duplicated, then that duplicated Yakara will drop. So how does it drop? It drops by this Yam Lopasandhi. How the duplication happens? It is out of scope. Don't worry about that. Just take the example and apply this Yam Lopasandhi. Then you get the form Aditya. Dropping off the Yam letter is optional, therefore Aditya. If we don't drop, we get Aditya. So therefore, Kurmaha, when I say, this is also okay. Kurmaha, Kurmaha, Jirnaha. Okay. Then what? Then next one, Jarlopasandi. What is Jarlopasandi? Jar letter preceded by hal. Like yam letter previously, here it is jar letter. And followed by savarna jar. Then what will happen? The jar will become lopaha optionally. So jar letter, which is preceded by hal and followed by savarna jar. So then the jar will drop. This we applied. Ut plus stasyati. You take the example as such. Don't worry about how this takara is there at the beginning. Don't worry about that. For that, as I said, we have to know the other rule. That's why takara comes. If takara is there, you assume it is there. Thasyati is there. So ut plus thasyati. Here, takara, first takara is a jar, followed by second takara, which is also a jar. And the first takara is preceded by hal, which is alpa prana takara. So what will happen in that case? The first takara, which is a jar, drops. Therefore, you get the form utthasyati. Because it is optional, you can have it be utthasyati also possible. These are the two rules, jarlopa and yamlopa, I have added in this. Maybe any other, I don't know. I'll send you this, go through this.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Dhanyavad.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.